If your hose holder looks like this, or you have one of those hose holders that are on the wheels and you're tired of moving it all the time, I actually just did a video with pavers and pea gravel to make a little hose station. But if you don't want to do that and you want to get your hose up off the ground so it doesn't look like this and it doesn't kill your grass, I'm going to show you how to install one of these hose holders right onto your brick. Now, don't be scared to drill through your brick. Anybody can do this. All you need are these masonry bits. I'll show you the ones that I use and exactly what size you need to use, and you'll need an impact drill. I use Ryobi everything. So here are those masonry bits. I'll leave a link to these in the description below, but you're just going to take that anchor and you're going to put it behind it. And if you can see the white part, it's too small. If you can see just the parts that are flanging out, then that is the perfect size. So I'm just measuring these and this is the one I'm going to go with. So go ahead and put that anchor up to the drill bit and then put a piece of tape at the bottom of it. That way you know how far to drill in. So before you drill, if you have an old brick and you just want to test it to make sure that this is the correct size drill bit, go ahead and drill through that, pop in that anchor just to see if that is the correct size, and it is. It worked perfectly. Now I went ahead and unscrewed that a little bit and I'm just holding on to it and that sucker ain't coming out. So that thing is in there good. So you want to make sure you're 16 to 18 inches away from the spigot and put this at waist level so you don't have to bend down when you're putting that hose up. So go ahead and mark where the holes are at the bottom where the big hole is, and then that's where you're going to drill. So just push, and you're going to have to push pretty hard, but don't force it. Just let that drill bit do the work. So then you're just going to pop in those anchors. You should be able to just push it in with your thumb pretty easily. So then you're just going to hand screw those in just a little bit so that they have a little bit of area for the hose hanger to hang on before you screw them the rest of the way in. And if your screws are a little bit loose for any reason, you can go ahead and go up to Home Depot and get some screws that have just a slightly bigger thread, and then it will fit in there really, really tightly. But just use your handheld screwdriver here and just screw that the rest of the way in. So here it is all done. I don't have to worry about moving my hose holder every time I mow. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.